One of the most commonly asked question is, how do I create a vision board right at home? So you do not need to go anywhere else just to create a vision board. You can choose to create a digital vision board where you can actually use a laptop or a phone and use a platform like Canva.com, or even if you have Photoshop or any kind of a small graphic design template software on your phone or your laptop, you will create a vision board. Essentially, what I'm trying to tell you is you can create a vision board right from your home. And even if you are looking to create a DIY version where you actually go out and cut out pictures that you want to add to your vision board, you'll be able to take pictures from magazines, you flip through them, you'll find exactly what you want. You'll have to do a lot of hard work trying to create a digital the DIY vision board where you actually put in the manual effort. It could take hours, but you could easily do that with trying to create a digital vision board where you open up a platform like Canva.com, you open up the desktop wallpaper template and you add on grid elements and stop. You find images that actually represent various things that you add into your life and you drag them and add them to the vision board. And trying to keep it simple is going to be the very first thing that I would advise everybody to do, because don't try to clutter it, because you would not be able to set your intentions right in trying to create a vision board. So make sure to add a vision board, create a vision board that is easy, simple, and it helps you to manifest the things that you want to add into your life. So I have 3 points that I'm going to help you understand when you're trying to create a vision board at home. So the very first point that I have for you is, I want you to decide which kind of vision board you want to go ahead and create. You want to create a digital vision board, or you want to create a DIY vision board. So choose the easiest path that seems right to you. And the second point that I have for you is, if you're choosing to go to the digital route, where you're going to use Canva.com and you're going to find pictures on Pixabay.com, Pixels.com, and Splash.com, just look for free stock photography websites, or even use Google search images for those images that represent the things that you want, and save them to your computer or your laptop, and then you will be able to, or even your phone if you're trying to get it on your phone. Learn to save them separately and exactly clarify which area of your life is going to manifest, or it's going to speak to, it's going to cater to. So that's how you will be able to come up with a digital vision board. And if you're choosing to go the DIY route, use magazines, use quotes, use cutouts, use pictures of travel, photography, home, lifestyle, anything that speaks to your ideal vision. Because a vision board is it's a representation of the ideal vision that you have for your life. If you do not set a vision, and if you do not know exactly what you want in your life, it's very hard to actually go out looking for those things that you want to add to your vision board. So be very clear on the kind of things that you want in life. The very first question that you need to ask yourself: what do I want in my life? What do I want this year? What do I want this month? What do I want this week? How do I want my ideal life to look like? If you answer those kind of questions, you'll be able to come up with things that you want to add to your vision board. And once you know exactly what you want, you will go out and look for those things, and you will be able to add those pictures, quotes, and sayings, and anything that speaks to helping you put the pieces of the puzzle together for your ideal vision that you have for your life. Maybe it can be for this year, for the following year, or for the ultimate vision board. So I hope you've understood which kind of vision board you should create. Always make sure to create a vision board as quickly as possible, because the very first thing that actually speak to you, try to add them to your vision board, and later you can work on developing it further and making the perfect vision board that you like it to be. So when you try to create a vision board right from home, you should know exactly what you want first, and you will be able to decide whether it's a digital vision board or it's a DIY vision board. So whatever the path that you want to take, stick to that and complete it, because once you complete it, it's half the battle down, and now it's the universe's responsibility to grant those things to you. So if you are really struggling to create a vision board, I've created the vision board mini course that you can find in the links in the description below. It's really affordable right now, and I'm going to cover 7 different modules on how to create a vision board that is methodologically structural, and it is going to help you cover 5 different core essential areas of life that you must add to your vision board. Because without which, if you don't have these 5 different areas, you'll be struggling in other areas. Because most people just focus on one area and they fail to focus on the other 4 or 5 areas. Be very careful of that. So definitely check it out. You'll find bonuses. You'll be able to. I'll be adding other bonuses that will help you manifest those things that you added on the vision board faster. Question of the day that I have for you is, which kind of a vision board are you trying to create? Are you trying to create a digital vision board, or are you trying to create a DIY vision board? So have you created a vision board before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have, struggle to create a vision board, what are the things that are stopping you from creating the vision board that you actually desire? A vision board, is it taking longer time, or is it because you don't know what exactly you want to add to the vision? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video or if you're new here, I want you to subscribe to my channel and I want you to hit the like button so that how of having a vision board and how it's going to help them achieve things faster in their life. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a good day.